TMC MLA Charles Pyngrope, when asked about his potential return to the Congress party, described the grand old party as not a sinking ship but one that simply requires a capable leader to steer it to safety. However, he did not provide a definitive answer regarding his rejoining the Congress party in the state.
I said that from the very beginning. Right from the year 2022, I said the Congress must get its act together. Because someone asked me then, when I left the party, they said, is the Congress a sinking ship? I said, this ship will never sink. It just needs a good captain who can rudder the ship. I am no one to judge that, to begin with. But a procedure has to be followed. I have been in the party for the last 30 years. I was. And in fact, I'm out of the party for only just a year and a half. Till now. A procedure is where the Constitution of the Indian National Congress is very clear that every block, which means every constituency, we call them blocks in the Congress Constitution, has to have a president and a team who are elected by the members who are registered with the Congress from that block. That means 60. So a procedure has to be followed. Once the procedure is followed, if person A is elected president of the state, then well and good. So you have to judge the person from that angle. But at the moment, after it's been a very long time, the Congress hasn't adopted the process of election by where a president has been elected. So that has to be done. I know I've run for the Congress because I was an elected treasurer of the Congress, not nominated. When I think at my time, I think Mr. Ol Nongtudu was the elected president. So that's once that system is followed, then everything falls in place. The Congress is a party. It's the grand old party. But we just can't live on its laurels alone. You have to move with the times. But number one is follow the rules. Once rules are followed, nobody will complain. I think I'd rather have him inside than outside.
So you're ready to work with him?
I'm ready to work with anybody. Who am I? I'm just a member.
So also, there have been talks.
Because if I go in, I'll only go in as a member, nothing else. But a registered member.
Yes. So also there have been.
But please don't write he's joined. Okay.
Well,
Congress to join the party. Can you confirm that, sir?
No, I have not been contacted officially by anybody, whether it's Congress or the NPP or the VPP. No one has contacted me officially, or the BJP. Well, wherever I need to interact with them, they're always there. So how can I say there's lack of coordination? Whenever I want to go to Calcutta, I need to talk to them regarding matters. The doors are always open for me. At the moment, I have not given that a thought because I'm still the president of the TMC.